English made easy. Lay the table, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, lay the table. This is a common phrase in English, especially in daily conversations around mealtimes. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comfort in using the English language. So, let's dive in. Lay the table is a phrase that means preparing a table for a meal. It involves placing items like plates, cutlery, glasses, and napkins on the table before eating. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking households and is an important part of mealtime etiquette. Remember, the focus here is on the preparation aspect, rather than the actual eating or cooking. This phrase comes from the word lay, which means to put something down carefully or prepare for use. Historically, setting the table was a significant ritual in many cultures, symbolizing hospitality and readiness to dine. Over time, lay the table became a standard phrase to describe this preparation. Let's see how lay the table is used in everyday sentences. 1. Could you please lay the table while I finish cooking? 2. I've laid the table. Dinner is almost ready. 3. In our family, the kids often lay the table for supper. These examples show the phrase in action, making it easier for you to understand and use it in your conversations. There are similar phrases that you might hear. Set the table. This is the most common alternative and means exactly the same as lay the table. Clear the table. This means to remove everything from the table after the meal. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use lay the table confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily life can greatly improve your language skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.